Hey friends, Allie from Allie here, and I wanted to show you this fun new passport mini book cover that I made using digital kits from AC Digital's Pink Paislee and Paige Taylor Evans. This is one of my very favorite kits. It's absolutely adorable. I love the books, so I kind of made different covers. And then I used it as kind of a passport cover for all the books that I had inside. So I just thought I'd do a quick flip through before I kind of fill everything in. This is, since I'm not going out much, this doesn't really go in my purse, but my son and I are taking lots of trips to the backyard while he plays in the sandbox or on the swings. And I just wanted something where I could take with me, jot down some quick thoughts, do one of my daily pages, that kind of thing. So you'll see it's also laminated, and then I did do in the normal like traveler's notebook holes. It does have a nice little elastic string to hold it together. I do like this. It's Jewelry Fundamentals. I get this at Joann Fabrics. This comes in lots of colors, but just thought I'd do a quick flip through of this. So like I said, this is Paige Taylor Evans, digital scrapbook paper from AC Digitals. And then this is the inside. You can see all that. If you want to see how I did a similar book and how I print everything out, I will link it right here. But this is just something fun. So I added a pocket from Planner Society. It's the bows, the cute little clear pocket with a little bit of pink, but I love the little holographic bows. I put some prayer request cards in there. I'll probably put some other things for my daily pages in there as well. And then I have these covers that have vellum inside, and the vellum is printed with another one of the designs from that collection. I printed it on vellum instead of regular paper just to give that little look. And then this is from the Planner Society. And then I've got some new scout books in there to fill up with some ideas. This is a little book from Elise Joy, or Get to Work book. And so it says you're not going to run out of ideas and just place your brainstorming. One of my current daily pages books. So there's that. And then another one of the packets with vellum. I have a card from Traci Designs, and then my prayer request sticky notes, since these are packets. And then another Get to Work book. This one's a project planning notebook, so I've got a couple projects I'm planning. And then again, the vinyl cover. So there is the end of the book. And I might put another pocket here. I haven't decided. I'm going to kind of use it and see what I need. But that is how it came together, and I thought you might want to see that. So again, I will link all the videos where I kind of go through this and go with other designs and kind of how I put it together. But I wanted to show this current one because I'm obsessed with this paper, and I think it's really, really cute. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.